Life, a thing almost every organism on this planet shares. We are concepted, we grow, and we die. Look at yourself. You have a role in this world, whether it be a job or school or surfing. We as a society all work together to create amazing things. We're all climbing the steps of life, trying to be the biggest and most important person. But how big can you really be? Where are we in the grand scheme of things? Sure, there's money and fame, but if we take that all away, you're just one of 7 billion people on this planet. That's only 1/2 of 1% of the world's population. Taking that into consideration, look at our Earth. It's big. Big enough that it can fit 7 continents on it and still be predominantly covered in water. Wow. The Earth is so big that if you were to drive a school bus non-stop around it at 60 miles per hour, it would take you 14,342 days. But now, go outside. It's always nighttime out. Look up at the sky. What do you see? No, those aren't little TVs scattered about the atmosphere. Those are stars. Stars that are as big as our solar system. And we're so far away from them that they only appear as a little polka dot. Now let's get down and dirty and go back to my previous question. How small are we in the grand scheme of things? Take for example a grain of sand. A piece of rock so tiny it can fit on top of an ant's head. There are billions of these little rocks on just one beach. And just how many beaches are there on Earth? At least 20. Now look up at the sky and get ready to use your brain. Think of those stars just like pieces of sand in the analogy, and the galaxy is the beach. Just in our galaxy alone, Earth is just one grain of sand among millions of other on the beach. But here's the kicker. There's more than just one galaxy. So our galaxy, as big as it is, again, can be compared to one beach on a planet where there are hundreds of other beaches, which is on a planet in a group of millions of other planets in a universe. But then, for one universe, there are millions of other universes within that what we call clusters and nebulas. And as far as we know, it can go on and on and on and on, expanding bigger and bigger like I just stated, and never end. Where will it end? Who makes all this sand? Are there sand planets? There are just some questions mankind cannot answer. So take that into consideration. You are a person, along with billions of others, on a planet, in a solar system with dozens of other planets, in a galaxy that is with millions of others in a universe, and with our universe is aside millions of others, in an ever-expanding ectochamber of existence. In conclusion, we are really some of the smallest things in our known existence, and have about a 7% chance of ever finding out the limits of what's out there. In our lifetime, we'll probably never step foot on the sun. We'll never know if we can live on a meteor as it hurtles through time and space. We'll never be able to bring Venus Williams to Venus. Sorry if the truth hurts, but that's the cold hard reality of it. But one thing we do know is that we do some cool things and we sure know how to have a good time.